Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the secondary hard drive, identify and unlatch the right side cover. Lift the cover off the device. Find the secondary hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the assembly out of the system. Remove the 4 screws securing the hard drive to the assembly and lift the drive out of the assembly. To reinstall the secondary hard drive, place it back in the assembly and install the 4 screws. Place the assembly back in the system and install the 2 screws. Reconnect the cables. Relatch the right side cover to the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.